All right, this online app is pretty easy to use and it's pretty good. You can just drag an image from your desktop and upload it to their secret server, wherever that is. And the image pops up. And this is a pretty high-res JPEG that I took. I already manipulated it in Photoshop, but you could see it's still a pretty good size image and it's high-res. And they have a tool I call the Band-Aid tool, and I'm not sure exactly what it's really called, but that's what I call it. And you can make the brush size bigger by using the brackets, and bigger and smaller. And so I'm just going to get rid of these buoys that are in the water by making the brush big enough and then just clicking on it. And this is all done online. So it takes a little minute or two, and I'm getting impatient. You can see the first one disappeared. I'm like, what the heck's going on? But it's just that it's processing, it's uploading and downloading as quickly as it can. So had I showed a little more patience, it would have been fine. But you could see that it's working. And I have to go back and click on the tool. And again, I made the brush big enough that it covered the buoy. And I just clicked once. I'm not fine tuning, I'm not zooming, I'm just putting it over there. You could see how big it is right there. And I click it. And then what it does is it grabs pixels from all around the object, or what it perceives to be the object. And then it just fills in those pixels. And sometimes there's residue, like on that last one, there's a little bit of residue that I would go in and I would fine tune. But to show you how easy it was, I'm just making it big, clicking once, and it magically disappears. And then when you go to save it, you just go to export, and I'm guessing you're using JPEG, but you can use PNG, lossless, either way. And you could see it's the same size, but I do bump up the resolution because I imagine that you're going to be printing for that. And then it just downloads to your download box, and I just drug that right to my desktop and opened it up, and it worked. So here are the two images side by side, so the one with the buoys and the one without.